This is your timing cover off of an 89 Buick LeSabre. This is the sensor that everybody says is the problem that goes wrong with these cars on YouTube. It goes in this hole. This is not your problem most of the time. Most of the time, this is not it. I'm going to show you what it is. Because I had a buddy, a mechanic, tell me. So, with my damn shadow in the way, I put this in here. Underneath the coil pack. Wasn't it. I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just going to be pointing shit out. I'm a backyard mechanic, but I'm telling you, I could do the job. So I know. Put this in here. Guess what? Not the fucking problem. I put this in here, and not the problem. Well, where'd I go to next? I said, well, I have to take off the timing cover. Why? Because I went and bought a little round mirror so you can see through this hole. This hole right here, you can see through that hole. It's underneath your water pump. And what you're looking for is this magnet right here. If it's gone and it's not there, and your shit's missing really bad, and the motor's shaking, and it's steady. It's not shaking when it's in park, but it's shaking when you put it in reverse or drive. Motor's shaking bad. This little magnet, it's a magnet. You have to take out these 3 bolts right there just to put that little magnet in. But we'll get to the easy part. This isn't a hard job to do yourself. You only have to remove, you don't have to remove the water pump. I did. People say you have to remove your power steering pump. You don't. People say you have to remove the tensioner. You don't. You don't have to remove nothing, but there's a bolt here. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt here. Here, 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 and here. I removed this, and you do have to take out in the bottom of your oil pan. There's 3 bolts to get this cover off. There's a bolt here, here, and here. You gotta go underneath to get them out of the oil pan. So once you take them out, the cover will come off. Once you get the cover off, you expose your timing chain. Well, before you take them 3 bolts out of there, set the damn thing to timing, or your timing's gonna be off. So the way you set your timing is, this is your bolt that you took out. Put it back in there after you get the cover off. There's 2 points. I don't know if you can see it or not. Try to get as close as possible. There's a dot right there, and there's another dot right there. Just keep turning the motor over until you get them dots lined up. Once you get them lined up, that magnet I was telling you about that you couldn't probably see from the top, that's the magnet. So, it's up to you if you want to do the job. I'm doing the job for my kid, his car, first car. So, it's up to you. Anything else, let me know.